Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to Uji, but first, pre-breakfast. Well, I already had a pre-breakfast. This is breakfast of the pre-breakfast. Dozo. I already went to the gym, then I went to the 7-Elevens there. Oh my god, little Mai? Wow. Oh, an agenda. That is cute. That's cute. Let me show y'all. How much is it? $8.60. That's not bad at all. Little Mai. Oh my god, that is so cute. This, on the other hand, $35. $35. Okay, we are back at our hotel. If you come to Japan and you are not regular because you haven't been eating the best and not fiber, get a 5 mini. Has 6 grams of fiber in it. I think they are like $1.07. Drink the whole thing and you will go. I also bought edamame. You can heat them up. I'm lazy. The microwave is on the 4th floor. I don't want to go there. So these are salty steamed soybeans. Also great protein. Also great in fiber. Unstoppable combo. Then I bought this Zero Chill Out. It looks like it's musket flavor. I have no idea what this is. Update. There's only hemp seed extra. But I'm still going to try it. This one has 0 cal. Exciting. My first time trying a Big Boy Sava's milk protein. 30 grams. 192 calories. I'm gonna try it. Oh. Wow, you bought it. Let's see the macros. Oh my god, it has 18 grams of carb? That's horrible. Horrible. Oh, I bought it, so I gotta try it. How do you do this? Oh my god. Maybe I will not drink the whole thing, but caramel. Not my favorite. What a breakfast. They're salty. I'm in Uji, and we're going to a matcha house. It says go to the side, so we're going to the side right
now. Number 5 and number 8.
This one?
5 and 8.
And 8.
And buy
okay.
the 100 gram bag.
In the 100 gram bag.
Or you can buy a 150 gram tin, but it's more expensive if you just buy the bag and use a tin.
No, I'll just buy the bag.
Me too. It's easier to pack.
Because I have lots of tins. And they have these for sale?
Yes.
So this is the brand that I've been drinking that TikTok blew up. I'm going on a tour. You get ice cream plus 150. Ooh, I want that too. Which is this? Hojicha ice cream? Oh wow. I will do Hojicha. Me too. So I'm going on the tour now. Another group was supposed to show, but they didn't, so it's a private tour. So cool. And postcards. Wow, the postcards are hefty. Gorgeous.
A product is known as tencha, which will then be ground into matcha.
All types of tea, no matter green tea, oolong, or black tea, they all come from the same planet, Amela sinensis. But it depends how you grow and how you process them. You have different types of tea. Take matcha, for example. It is one type of green tea. And before in a tea ceremony, and there's a special tea event twice a year in Sai Dai Tea Temple in Nara. They serve tea with this giant teapot during the tea ceremony.
Oh.
Like in these pictures, when you're having matcha, From this giant tea ball, the guest sitting next to you help you hold the ball.
Oh, wow.
It's about 5 kilos for the tea.
Wow.
Do you actually use it? Questions regarding to the tea house? This is the standard size, and of course there are many different sizes. Bubbles comes out. It's red soaking whistling up to the surface. Gently. Then a little wave cutting through the bigger bubbles to make it smaller. And a foamy tap.
Beautiful brownies.
Yes.
It looks beautiful.
So tasty.
Uji ice cream.
Cafe Ran. Let's go. Nice.
This is a juice. Tea? Oh, tea. Alright.
Yummy.
Oh no, I'm taking pictures. Okay.
Okay.
Yakisoba.
Wow, you made her like a bandit. I want to hang with her.
Yeah, that's part of the appeal.
Is she like a Chris Abroad or something like that? Or like who's she comparable to?
I'm now in Uji. Plain and matcha. Delicious. Hojicha ice cream. Nice.
Don't dip it.
Everybody go there with me and I'll take. Oh yes, it's this
We stopped in another cafe because we saw this and we all want it. And I also saw this. I also want it. Right now we are here, Cafe Consola. And we tried Fukujuen last year, but not this location. Oh, it's a whole walk. Cute. Coffee jelly. Pizza toast. Hello everyone. So for the rest of the day, I came back here after Uji. Like, I think you saw pizza toast last. And then I went to Nishiki Market. Again, I forgot to take you guys. Actually, no, I plan not to take you guys because it's so chaotic there and absolutely disgusting. So I did not take you guys there, but I went to see my salmon man. And he's still there, thank God. And then I got some overpriced cucumbers. And then I ate 3 ice creams. Like, I'm not even joking. I had 3 ice creams. And I went to GU and bought clothes. That's the bag right there. And now I'm trying to figure out what to do with packing. So that's it for today's vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys tomorrow in Osaka, where we do some more shopping.